This is the moment in your journey when you understand what you want from this. You are traveling from Pristina, in Kosovo, to Skopje, the capital of Macedonia. This time you travel with a friend, someone you met at the last hostel you stayed at. Crossing the border, the officers stop you. Maybe they find you suspicious. It is not the first time that what allowed you to survive in the slums of Mexico causes you this inconvenience from time to time, but after a short interrogation that let you get into the van with the rest of the passengers. In less time than you expected, you find yourself in Macedonia, or North Macedonia, as Greece likes the place to be called. Skopje is a somewhat surprising change from Kosovo. Thanks to recent renovations, the place feels like a Western European city. You stay in a room with an incredible view, but you do not have time for sunsets today. You want to explore the city. Walking through the streets of Skopje, seeing its elders play chess, its monuments, its flags, its square, its churches. Absorbing it all, you feel in a new but familiar place. The same sun rises everywhere. Parents educate their children. Friends share food. And strangers become acquaintances with a beer. And as in other places, one day comes after another. And this new day teaches you that Skopje is the birthplace of Mother Teresa. At the Mother Teresa Memorial House, you learn about the life of the Catholic nun. It overwhelms you to think how much she did with her life, starting from such humble beginnings, and how little you have done with yours. But you do not give those thoughts much time. You go to the Skopje City Museum. Despite being closed, you are fortunate to have a unique guided tour where you learn about the earthquake that hit Skopje in 1963. It is amazing how many opportunities you get to learn new things. In your time, they told you that it was the luck of the journalists. Maybe you are selfish, but you care much more about being in the moment and learning than recording everything and sharing it. These memories that you are seeing are for you and no one else. You are now in the Museum of Contemporary Art. There is something that has always caught your attention in modern and contemporary art. Perhaps it is the fact that it defies conventionalism, or that it is an expression that speaks to you because it is much closer to your generation. It speaks of your concerns and the problems of the society in which you live. Loneliness, facial recognition, artificial intelligence, satire. But the museum is small, and you explore it quickly. Then, of course, the Skopje fortress, the rock testimony that sums up what humanity history is, to attack and defend. How is something whose purpose is so violent be so majestic? How is something so important now be forgotten? That is life, whether we like it or not. That is the passage of time, which is why you plan to live and learn as much as you can. And you go out to see the view of the city you travel to and will travel for days, collecting moments, admiring buildings, learning about its history. Enjoying its food, and visiting its museums and monuments. Learning and living. Waking up